Right, assalamualaikum everyone. Just stop, guys. Stop worrying too much about the future of cryptocurrency. Stop thinking if you are going to be doomed. Stop thinking things are not going to work for you. Don't think too much, man. You guys are thinking way too much than you're supposed to. Just look at you right now, right? Look at you. You are scared of what's going on right now. If you knew what I know, because I'm not a prophet, I don't know the future, of course, but if you knew the things that I know, you will be really excited right now. And maybe it's time I tell you what I know. Maybe it's finally time to make you realize what you are going to be missing in the future. So if you're new, follow the channel for such crazy information, as you may never see the channel again. But I think I'm tired of looking at people thinking that this market is not going anywhere. People are underestimating crypto. Let's change that for now, because I'm pretty sure out of 1,000 people that are watching right now, maybe 200, maybe 300 are going to learn what I'm talking about, because anything I'm about to say in this video is going to make a lot of sense even before I talk about Pepe. Number one, I want to start with this thing that you're looking right now. It's known as the global liquidity, right? I'm just gonna hide myself for a second here. So the global liquidity, and you have the long-term cycle, right? This data has been running since 2000 and all the way up to 2024 at the moment. Now, what is happening here is that you may look at the long-term cycle, you may look at the global liquidity. It has been pretty accurate so far, except for this price over here. What I have seen is that this went up for the run top, you came down, bottom, went up, top, bottom in 2013, went to the upside, top at 2015, came down again, bottom at 2019, and you went up, topped out nearly 2020, and now you came down and you bottomed out nearly at the end of 2022. Just look where you are. This is where you are, right? At a place called a bear trap. For me, this is a bear trap, nothing else. And you are stuck in here thinking that what's about to happen? Instead of reprogramming your mind, it's not a financial advice, I always say this, but if it was one, and you have the spare money, just a little bit of it, not your life income, to get on crypto board, then this is it, man. This is where people buy. Not here, not here, not here, not here, not here. And you do not even realize after how long are you going to have to wait to get back to this lowest point. Because when you do this, it's going to take almost 4 to 5 years to get back down there for you to realize what did I just miss, right? This is what I missed. This is what I'm missing when everything was down at the bottom. It's crazy, right? The second image that I want to show you, this is the first one, right? This is just a little bit of motivation, but it's true motivation. It's in front of you, right in front of your face right now. The second picture is this. Go and study post-halving effect. And this is for the altcoins. This is for altcoins. Halving happened back in April 19. April of 19. We're about to end June. So maybe almost 2 months ago, right? 518 days is the average time of altcoins to top. And if you do the math, 518 days from April of 19, it actually takes you to September 2025. there's a lot of confusion, so many confusion. Some people are saying, well, the bull market is not going to happen. Some people are saying the bull run has come to an end right now. Some people are saying that this cycle is going to be different and 2024 is going to end the bull run. We're not going to go into 2025. Some people say this, say that, say this. I just say the best shot you have is your crypto charts and your history, right? Everyone has their own opinion, and the charts are made in a way for everyone to interpret however they'd like to interpret. Some are saying if you want to be bearish, you really have bearish reason out there. If you want to be bullish, you have the bullish reason to be out there. I just want to give you the most logical analysis. That's it. That's the only purpose of this channel. I know I'm not talking about Pepe because I don't really need to right now, right? I don't really need to. But the most important thing I need to talk about is that there is something that most of you will probably miss. I'm recording this video at 3 o'clock in the midnight, not sleeping, thinking about future of crypto and what's going to happen. And the more I think, the more I look, the more I study, the more excited I am. And when I look at 90% of you guys, you're not understanding this, right? So you're very, very, very early. It's 2024. Yes, Bitcoin made the all-time high. Altcoins are not doing it. But look at Pepe. Pepe did an all-time high. Pepe has been performing the best. If anyone has to cry, are the people who are holding Chainlink, people who have Dogecoin, SHIB, Matic. Those are not moving. Cardano, Ripple, those are still pending, right? But I'm just gonna go back and let's actually do a little bit of analysis. All right, so there's a little bit of sideways movement going on with Bitcoin that is actually affecting how Pepe is moving as well. So we saw Pepe coming up here and now all of a sudden is down. Well, man, oh man, I don't really care about what is happening here, to be very honest with you. I understand, no disrespect for the people who care, but I will say it's something that isn't really even breaking a sweat. I'm not breaking a sweat about anything that is happening right here, because to me, I don't really care about what is going on in here. But anyways, if it actually does matter to you a lot, we're still in a good position. Your resistance, break above, came down, perfect retest, and your stop loss is going to be down somewhere probably at 923, because if you do come down here, then you are going to be losing it and you're going to fall a little bit down. If it actually helps, you can just bring this a little bit lower down to maybe 876, right? That's the best stop loss ever. Here's your little bit of resistance that you broke above. I think the main thing that is happening right now with Pepe is just to come down for the retest, because you have broken above the trend line. So it's actually going to come down, retest the trend line, and perhaps move up here. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.